Are you an IT professional or email marketer facing the dreaded SMTP error 421 4.3.0? This frustrating message means your email didn't go through, often leaving you wondering what went wrong. Don't panic. This is a temporary issue, but understanding it is crucial for long-term email deliverability. SMTP error 421 4.3.0 indicates a temporary server issue preventing your email request from being processed right now. It's not a permanent rejection, but rather the server is too busy or lacks resources. This 4.xx code signifies a temporary failure, unlike 5.xx, which are permanent. Specifically, 421 4.3.0 points to system resource limitations. The 4 denotes temporary, while 3.0 suggests issues like memory, CPU, or network constraints. Essentially, the server is temporarily unable to handle the email request, but the problem is not permanent. Mail servers have limits on concurrent connections and queued messages. Surpassing these limits, especially during sudden bulk email sends, can overwhelm the server. This leads to a 421 4.3.0 error, as the server cannot process more messages. Under-provisioned or shared hosting environments often struggle with resource exhaustion. Maxed out CPU, RAM, or insufficient disk I/O can prevent proper email delivery. The server temporarily refuses connections to prevent a complete system crash. Incorrect server settings can inadvertently limit email processing under load. Aggressive connection limits, queue sizes, or timeout values can cause temporary failures. Both too low and too high settings can lead to errors. Many businesses use SMTP relay services like SendGrid or Amazon SES. These services impose quotas and rate limits to protect their infrastructure. Exceeding these preset limits will trigger a 421 4.3.0 error from the relay service. Sometimes, the issue lies with the recipient's server. Gray listing is an anti-spam measure where unknown senders are temporarily rejected, requiring a retry. Receiving servers also have rate limits, rejecting messages if their limits are exceeded or traffic is too high. Implement exponential backoff, retrying after increasing intervals, e.g., 5, 10, 30 minutes. This avoids overwhelming the server and is crucial for legitimate email delivery. Automate retries where possible to minimize manual intervention. Proactively check CPU, memory, and process usage on your mail server. Monitor disk I/O and verify available disk space. Look for bottlenecks like high CPU, low disk space, or increased load during peak traffic periods. Adjust connection limits and queue size settings to better handle traffic bursts. Consider increasing retry intervals and tuning timeout values. Proper configuration ensures your server can manage expected email volumes. Identify any messages stuck in your email queue. Investigate these messages for common issues such as incorrect recipient addresses or DNS errors. Logs provide critical insights into the root cause of delivery failures. If using a third-party relay, log into its dashboard to check for exceeded sending limits. Look for specific errors or warnings related to rate throttling. Contact your SMTP provider for assistance in adjusting limits if necessary. Check bounce messages for signs of gray listing, often indicated by temporary failure. Please try again later. Ensure your server is configured to retry rejected emails with proper backoff intervals. Gray listing usually resolves within 10-20 minutes. SMTP 421 4.3.0 errors can severely disrupt email campaigns and harm deliverability. Warmy.io offers powerful tools to proactively monitor your email environment and maintain a healthy infrastructure. This helps prevent these issues from occurring. Don't let SMTP error 421 4.3.0 derail your email strategy. Implement these troubleshooting steps to resolve issues quickly and prevent future occurrences. For advanced monitoring and proactive domain health, visit warmy.io today and ensure your emails always reach their destination.